Black Queer Twitter, a place where we learn from each other and for each other, where it's not only support, but it's concern, it's lessons learned. In the words of Joan Morgan, the creator of hip-hop feminism, a type of feminism that defied the white, cisgendered, heterosexual feminism that has been displayed throughout history. A type of feminism that was inclusive, that promoted the equality of all women despite how they look. Morgan said, "For reasons of emotional health and overall sanity, I've retired from being a strong Black woman. Since I've been acting like a SBW for most of my life, I've taken the liberty of drafting a reorientation memo. To the white folks I work with, the fake fine and compulsory smile, gone, deaded. Don't look for it. From now on, when asked, 'How are you?' I'm going to tell you the truth. So if you really don't give a shit, do yourself a favor and don't ask. Some days I really am an evil Black woman. To the folks in my life who are used to calling me at all hours of the AM or PM, don't. I apologize for not telling you before that I'm not the strongest sister, that my shit is not always so damn together. Then again, you would have known if you'd interjected an occasional, 'Hey girl, how you doing?' in your tirades. There are days my shit is downright raggedy, and on those days, I'm not feeling you. I've officially given myself permission to ignore all 20 of your messages on my machine, especially the ones telling me you feel abandoned. To the brothers trying to kick it, stop. Let me save you some time. If my financial independence, education, ambition, looks, or basic determination to survive makes you question whether or not you have anything to give a such strong Black woman, don't bother. Return to the valley of the chicken heads, because I don't fuck with that anymore. SBWs do not have needs. I have plenty, and I'll gladly tell them to you while I'm running your bathwater or you're rubbing me down with oil or we're playing tag with our tongues. Bring it on, if and only if you really believe you deserve me. And while I'm at it, mad love for my peeps who didn't need anything of this, who knew I was never a strong Black woman, just frontin'. Thanks for sticking around while I was tripping. Y'all know how shit goes. We get there in the by and by. Peace and love, Joan." This letter embodies so much of what is found in this small social media conglomerate. We don't have to tell each other to not be strong. We don't have to put out a precursor or an open letter to explain how we feel or to get people to finally understand or even listen. It's unspoken. Vulnerability is allowed. It's okay. To be on the outside is to be a part of this group. In Saidiya Hartman's Wayward Lives, Beautiful Experiments, Intimate Histories of Riotous Black Girls, Troublesome Women, and Queer Radicals, makes a claim about wayward identities. Identities that can be considered fugitives, reckless, troublesome, riotous, tumultuous, rebellious, and wild. All words that describe the world of Black queer Twitter. She talks of searching for a place better than here, and I'd like to believe I found it. She talks about assembling and huddling together and the mutual aid offered in the open air. Two physical concepts that are now digital and virtual. So in the words of Saidiya Hartman, I give to you an anarchy of color girls assembled in a riotous manner, and what that looks like in the form of Black queer Twitter. Pose like a
a trophy when Naomi's walking. She need an Oscar for that pretty dark skin. Pretty like Lupita when the camera's closing. Drip broke the levee when my Kelly's rolling. I think tonight she might braid her braids. Melanin too dark to throw her shade. She owns her business and winds her waist. More like 24K. Okay. Tonight I might fall in love, depending on how you hold me. I'm glad that I'm calming down. Can't let no one come control me. Keep dancing and call it love. She fighting but falling slowly. If ever you.
We sing together. We dance together.
Clap back, we gon' 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 clap back, go back, we gon' clap back, we gon' clap back. They hollering about
Ma, it don't get more ghetto than this. Tell them, cut it the dot, yo. Them a friend, them ready for hit the block, yo. Those who try to test it, but
We laugh together.
Please open your eyes and see your new room.
What the What? Hell to the no. I'm sorry. Where is the pool table?
The pool table is right there. This is just a topper. It comes right off.
Okay.
So it's great for your grandson. And it's, multi-purpose.
I'm about to pee myself. Literally.
You're about to what?
Pee myself.
Okay, something else I really want you to see is they did do a really cool bar over here. Your old cabinets and shelving things that they've retrofitted and recreated out to make a whole bar area.
This is fine. I love this. But all I asked for was a Prince room.
She got your little red Corvette in here.
The walls gotta go. This is disgusting. We got a lot of work to do.
Crystal was concerned that you wouldn't like it.
She should be.
Should President Trump come see your show?
Well, I hope he doesn't, because I won't perform if he does.
Really?
Really.
Tell me why.
Because I hate the motherfucker. How's that?
We rejoice and uphold one another through all triumphs. And in the year 2020, we shared the trauma and the ways in which Black women aren't protected, not only in this country, but in the world. Rest in peace, Breonna Taylor. In the year 2020, the year of the Black woman, our sexuality and sensuality was on display and for once praised and not put down. But I believe the true meaning and understanding of Black queer Twitter is understanding. It's not Black queer Twitter as a stereotype or label of the community. It's just who happened to start it. It's full of white, cisgender, heterosexual, gay, men and women. It's more than just a title, it's a lifestyle, a light, a positivity, a home. A home with shared experiences, with shared jokes, inside jokes, catchphrases, with ways to make each other laugh and smile in the hardest of times. I'm thankful for a space in which is not described in the text. I'm thankful for a space that exists. I'm thankful for a space that exists for me and for others like me to feel wanted and understood. I'm thankful for the expression that it brings, and out of that expression, a rebirth. I'm thankful to live and breathe in a space. I'm thankful to live, breathe, and create in a space that is opposite of what Saidiya Hartman describes. We have empowered and rebranded the meaning of wayward.